Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $425.77 a coin. The present exchange cost range $425,000 $454.62. The earlier day close $434.65. The change was 888 204%. Converse rate US to BCH. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for June 2024. To start with, costed 155 coins. Exorbitant costs on 185, while lows on 155. I found the middle value of costs on 167. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 172, change for June 11%. US to BCH expectation for July 2024. Initially costed 172 coins. Excessive cost to 172, while lows to 139. The arrived at the midpoint of costs open 158. The US to BCH figure toward the month's ends open 148, change for July 14%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for August 2024. Initially costed 148 coins. Excessive costs on 155, while lows on 135. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 146. The US to BCH figure toward the month's ends on 145, change for August 2%. US to BCH expectation for September 2024. In the first place, costed 145 coins. Exorbitant costs on 148, while lows on 129. They found the middle value of costs on 140. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 138, change for September 48%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for October 2024. Before all else, costed 138 coins. Excessive costs on 138, while lows on 114. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 128. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends on 122, change for October 11.6%. US to BCH expectation for November 2024. Before all else, costed 122 coins. Excessive costs on 126, while lows to 110. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 119. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 118, change for November 3%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for December 2024. To start with, costed 118 coins. Exorbitant costs on 122, while lows to 106. They found the middle value of costs on 115. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 113, change for December 2%. US to BCH expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, costed 113 coins. Exorbitant costs on 113, while lows on 91. They found the middle value of costs on 104. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 98, change for January 13%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, costed 0.98 coins. Exorbitant costs on 104, while lows on 90. They found the middle value of cost on 97. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 97, change for February 1%. US to BCH expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.97 coins. Excessive costs on 103, while lows on 89. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 96. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's end 0.96, change for spring 10%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.96 coins. Exorbitant costs on 101, while lows end 88. They found the middle value of cost on 95. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends 194, change for April 1%. US to BCH expectation for May 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.94 coins. Excessive costs on 101, while lows on 88. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 94. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends on 94, change from May's 8%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.94 coins. Exorbitant costs on 94, while lows on 75. They found the middle value of cost on 86. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 81, change for June 13.8%. US to BCH expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.81 coins. Exorbitant costs on 84, while lows on 73. They found the middle value of cost on 79. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 78, change for July 7%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.78 coins. Exorbitant costs 2.85, while lows are at 74. They found the middle value of cost 0.79. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's end 0.79, change for August 1.3%. US to BCH expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.79 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.89, while lows on 77. They found the middle value of cost on 82. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends in 83, change for September 5.1%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.83 coins. Exorbitant costs in 85, while lows on 74. They found the middle value of cost on 80. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 79, change for October 4.8%. US to BCH expectation for November 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.79 coins. Excessive cost to 101, while lows on 79. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 88. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends on 94, change for November 19%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for December 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.94 coins. Excessive cost 0.94, while lows are at 76. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 86. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends in 81, change for December 13.8%. US to BCH expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 0.81 coins. Exorbitant costs on 104, while lows on 81. They found the middle value of cost on 91. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 97, change for January 19.8%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for February 2026. Initially cost at 0.97 coins. Excessive costs onto on 24, while lows on 97. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 108. The US to BCH figure toward the month's ends on 115's change for February 18.6%. US to BCH expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 0.115 coins. Excessive costs on 147, while lows on 115. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 29. The US to BCH figure toward the month's ends on 137, change for spring 19.1%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for April 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.137 coins. Exorbitant costs on 137, while lows on 113. They found the middle value of cost on 127. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 121, change for April 11.7%. As to BCH expectation for May 2026. To start with, cost at 121.